Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. Just a quick video on a lawnmower repair I'm doing. I thought that some of you might benefit from this if you've got one of these lawnmowers. This is a Lawnboy lawnmower, rear bagger. This has the older Tecumseh engine on it, and I picked this up off a local buy and sell website. The guy basically gave it to me. I think he said he wanted 20 bucks for it, so gave him 20 bucks, and he told me it didn't run. He said he didn't want to be bothered with working on it, spending money on it. He's just going to buy a new one in the springtime. So anyway, I just wanted to show you on this particular type of lawnmower. I'm not sure exactly what model numbers are affected by this, but this style. So what you're looking for is the bag where it has this metal bar that runs down and through these plastic mounts here, and this right one, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a decal on it there that says I think that's off and that's on. And what that means is that if you don't have this metal bar resting down inside of this groove, so you can see how it's not in the groove, how it's kind of sitting above the groove. And if you look at this one, you can see it's right down in the groove. There's actually a magnetic switch underneath of there, and if you don't have a piece of ferrous metal in there to activate the magnetic switch, this lawnmower won't start. So if you look, there's a wire, you can see that wire runs up under this cover to a switch, and it actually, over on this side, the wire disconnects the coil using the stop ignition switch, the stop bar, this bar right here. So if your bag is not installed properly, if it's not sitting down inside of that notch, the right side notch, the lawnmower won't start because it won't get any spark. So anyway, I just want to show you what's very common on these, why this is a problem. So obviously this is the problem. I could probably bet money. But these bags, what happens, if you look at the front of the bag, see this plastic clip, it kind of wraps around the metal bar. It's come off on the right side, and what's happening is in the middle here, it's actually lifting this bar out of that groove that I was talking about. So to really fix this problem, what you got to do is you got to flip this rubber channel piece back over the bar so it's nice and flush and nice and smooth like that. And I'll show you real quick. If you take, if you take this and you drop it in, now you can see that bar drops right down into the bottom of that groove, just like that side. Before, it was kind of sitting like that. So that won't run, guys. That bar has to be all the way down like that. So I'm just gonna give this thing a few primes. I haven't done anything else to this, guys, since I got it. I pulled the air filter off and put a shot of gas down there to prime it, and gave it a few pulls and it wouldn't start. And then I noticed that. So I'm just gonna give it a prime. And I'm gonna try and start it now without dropping the phone. Ready? So there you go, guys. That lawnmower, there's nothing wrong with it. It runs great. Probably could use an oil change and maybe a blade sharpen, but I just showed you real quick how when it was running, I lifted that bar up and it shut down. That's exactly what that switch is designed to do. Don't disconnect that, guys. It's a safety so that you can't run this lawnmower without the bag, because what will happen is it'll actually throw all the grass right in your face, and you don't want that to happen. But there's a tip when you got one of these Lawnboys. This one, for just the model number, is 10671. And like I said, I'm not sure which model numbers this affects, but this is definitely one of them. Just keep an eye out for this this style of bag on your machine, and that could be a problem why she won't start for you. All right, for more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching. I'll post some more stuff as I work on things here at the farm.